Hi, friends. Today we're going to go on a scavenger hunt for plants and animals. And I'm hearing our first animal right now. Let's look down and see what we found. Hello. Hello. This is a cat that lives in my neighborhood I named him Buddy. Hi, Buddy. Buddy is a cat, and a cat is an animal. You saw how he was moving and growing. He breathes in through his nose and mouth just like we do. He can reproduce to make other cats, and he needs food and water to survive. Look what I just found, friends. What do you see? A tree is a type of plant. Just like Buddy, it grows and it moves and it needs nutrients to survive. Plants can make more plants so they reproduce. Let's keep walking in my neighborhood to see what we can find. We're looking for living things, plants and animals. We found a cat. There's Buddy. I guess he's going to follow us. And we found an animal, Buddy, and we found the plant. Let's see what else we find. Oh my goodness, friends. Look, I see another cat. Do you see that black cat? You can't really see it. It's right by that gray truck. Right? I can't see it on the screen. It's kind of blending in. Okay, I'm gonna cross the street. Let me look both ways. Look. Wow, you can really see that cat. Do you see that one? Uh-huh, it's gray and white. It's right there. That's 3 cats. Okay, let's cross the street. I'm looking both ways. There's a car coming, so I'm going to wait. Okay, I can go now. Follow me. I wonder if you're noticing any plants or animals. I'm going to look up in this tree because we might see a bird, perhaps a squirrel. I'm not seeing anything. Let's keep going this way. I'm looking in all the yards and I see a plant that's on all of the yards. A lot of people know it. I wonder if you know what I'm thinking about. It starts with the sound G. G. Do you see all the grass? Grass is everywhere. It's definitely a plant. Okay, so far we found a tree, grass for plants, and we found lots of different cats for our animals. Let's see if we find any more plants or animals. Oh, oh my. Did you hear that barking sound? Do you see in the door there? I see a dog wagging its tail and barking. We found our second animal, a dog. Across the street again. I'm going to look both ways. All right, friends, follow me. It's safe. No cars. I think we'll do one more cross. Oh my, look across the street, friends. It's the same cat. It just made a meowing noise and it's running. Oh, look at that. Do you see them under the car? Here they come. Okay, I'm gonna cross the street. It looks safe. I'm looking up. What do you think I'm looking for when I'm looking up in the sky? Birds. Birds fly. Birds, friends. I don't know if you just saw them. Look, there's another one. They're flying high. Can you see them? I just saw 3 different birds fly overhead. I knew if I looked up in the sky, I would find a bird. So far, we found cats, a dog, birds for our animals. What plants do we have so far? Grass, lots of grass, and a tree. I know that there's a yard on the street that has so many plants. Let's go that way to see what other plants we can find. Here we are, friends. Look at this yard. It's full of plants. It's starting to get cold and frosty, which means these plants can't survive. But some of them are still living. Look here, a sunflower. I see one up here too. See the sunflower? Yeah, really beautiful sunflowers. That's definitely a plant. Can you believe how tall they are? They're way taller than me. Look at that. Plants. Oh, and look here, friends. Look at these beautiful zinnias. Zinnias are a plant too. They're so pink. Okay, so far we found zinnias. Down farther, let's see them. Zinnias. Then we found some sunflowers. We found lots and lots of grass and a tree. The animals we found were cats. And look, they're still running around. There's one there. Cats, a dog, the birds that were flying above us. And are those all the animals we saw? I was sure hoping we would see a squirrel, but we didn't, did we? Huh. I bet you have a squirrel in your neighborhood. Let's see if on the way back to my house we can find one more animal. We found so many plants. Nope, I don't see any more animals, friends. That was a great scavenger hunt, though. We found lots of plants and animals. I wonder what you'll find in your neighborhood. Maybe some of the same plants, maybe some of the same animals. Perhaps you'll find different ones. Okay, friends, now we're going to go inside so we can start our T chart to show plants and animals. We're going to draw what we found on our scavenger hunt. Okay, I'll see you soon inside. Bye, friends. I'll be right back.